With the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Flip 6 has been officially announced, the focus has now been shifted towards the Samsung upcoming Galaxy S25 series, which is expected to be coming with a significant design change. It seems that Samsung is taking the redesign of the S series quite seriously, with the rumors suggesting that the S25 Ultra will be departing from the sharp corner of its predecessor Galaxy S24 Ultra. The latest leak has been coming from renowned leaker S25, and he pointed out that the S25 Ultra will be coming with an asymmetrical design which will feature a round shape near the back of the phone, while the part closer to the display will have a straightened edge, aiming to enhance the overall feel and ergonomics of the device. According to S25, S24 Ultra is still one of the best smartphones available, but it's not the most comfortable to hold. Many users complained about its sharp edges causing discomfort, and most people are not liking the middle frame, making the phone appears wider than it actually is. Samsung is reportedly addressing that issue, and they are going to be altering that shape of the side and slimming it down to match the width of the S24. Although despite having these changes with the S25 Ultra, it is not expected to be as thin as the S24. Rather than it's going to be coming with an 8.4mm, which is just 0.2mm slimmer than the S24 Ultra. Looking ahead to the S25 Ultra, it is anticipated that the bezel will be appear even thinner than the current models, and it will be giving the aesthetic of the phone to be even better. Despite being 6 months away, the finalization of the design has been come, and it is confirmed that the front of the device is going to be flat, while the middle frame may seem like a minor detail to be upgraded. It can be significantly impact the daily usability of the device, and Samsung should be commended for striving to perfect these small details. Apart from this, Samsung is also improving the camera sensor on both the S25 and S25 Plus. Among the 3 new camera sensors that has been released, one of the important camera sensor is the 50 megapixel ISOCELL G and J sensor. Basically, this new sensor is going to be coming with significant improvement, and it will be 1 by 1.56 inch of a sensor, and it will be bringing some improved image quality and better battery life. Apart from that, telephoto lens and the ultra-wide camera sensor is also expected to be upgraded in the next year, and there has been a tipster which is claiming that the upcoming Galaxy S25 series will be having an upgrade in terms of the algorithm. Although specific details remain undisclosed, these algorithm plays a crucial role in smartphone photography, enhancing image quality and functionality beyond the capabilities of the physical camera hardware alone. Apart from this, there are plenty of exciting rumors swirling around the Galaxy S25 processor. While some specifications hint that South Korean company might ditch its own chip in favor of the MediaTek one, others suggest that Samsung could be exploring their option with the Exynos 2500 processor. And if MediaTek is going to be introduced, this is going to be for the first time that any Samsung flagship phone is going to be coming with MediaTek. A recent report indicates that certain models from Galaxy S25 series powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could be absolutely gaming beast. According to a new leak coming from Chinese tipster Digital Chat Station, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be boosting an AI-driven frame generation technology similar to the AMD and Nvidia. Thanks to this new cutting-edge technology, you can play games of Genshin Impact at 1080p resolution at 120 frames per second quite easily. Currently, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip can handle the Genshin Impact at 60 frames per second with all graphic settings cranked up to the max. While AI-powered frame generation enhanced game fluidity, it also introduced some drawbacks like increased input lag and graphical glitches. It remains to be seen how Qualcomm will be addressing this issue with the upcoming flagship chip set to be unveiled in October 2024. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will boost Qualcomm custom CPU cores and Adreno 830 GPU. This chip is reportedly manufactured by TSMC 3nm process node, and rumors suggest it may come with a higher price tag as compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. If the chip lives up to the hype, then it will definitely give a great competition to the Apple A17 Pro. Now, another rumor circulating that Samsung might not be bringing the S25 Plus model in 2025. A report that has been coming from Android Headline give us a detail that the Galaxy S25 series will not be coming with the S25 model. Only 2 models will be coming, the S25 and the S25 Ultra. In my opinion, I think that this could be the possibility that Samsung might not introduce the Plus variant for the Galaxy S25 series. There are a number of reasons through which you can indicate. Number one is that the difference between the S25 and S25 Plus is not a huge. Only the bigger display and a bigger battery is going to be the main difference. Other than that, both are same. And just because of that, most people are either purchasing the base variant or the ultra variant of the devices, and the plus variant did not get a significant sales just because of that. So definitely these are the 2 reasons. And it is still early to say that whether Samsung is doing that or not, but still The Galaxy S25 Ultra design change is one of the best one that is coming next year. Are you excited about that? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.